You want to do quality music but you lack direction every time you start? Stonebi got you covered. Today we bring you the 5 elements of music production. You can also apply it to music in general. After learning this, we are confident that you'll be good to go. Before, subscribe for more uplifting content. Element 1. Drums. Here we have a collective of all parts of a drum set. These are snares, kick, tom, hi-hat and crash. Element 2. The bass guitar and all sounds and voices with low frequencies lie here. Element 3. Mids. These are sounds and voices with mid frequencies, e.g. mid pianos, mid guitars.
Move me.
Element 4. Vox. Here we have vocals. Before I go to 5, subscribe and watch our previous videos for more uplifting content. These are things that you'll need to make your music sweeter. These are reverbs, compressors, delays and many more.